And then this one, we are going to do this. For all of you just tuning in, welcome to Glitz Accessory and Such. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you all have a fabulous Monday, and hope each of videos will give you lots of inspiration. All right, here for 30 seconds. I'm gonna do one nail at a time, so then that way we can get completely look without confused. So this second design, I'm so obsessed with this. It has all different colors in here, so nice and vibrant. And it's matched perfect with that crystal placement though. I want to take a picture right there. You know what? If this one looks good, you can even do a whole nails. You can absolutely do whole nails with this. So I did 2 coat of number 3, and then I did the top coat here for 60 seconds as well, because I don't want it to get a little tacky layers might stick the foil in there. The chance for everything. Missing one spot. There you go. Roll it up for me. Thank you so much, Tracy. And then let's apply the condensed glue gel, which is the first step, and then we're gonna go right next to it is gonna be a second step, which is a no wipe top coat. Just applies it enough, not too thick and not too thin. And floating the second step, which is no wipe top coat, right on the top between unclear condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, will grab the base of your crystals. All right. Oh my god, this one is so beautiful, so I'm so obsessed with it. I'm like debating, I want this one, I want that one. It's so nice and bright. I am going to using this centerpiece is neon light, neon shard from the neon crystals, and then I using the neons like everybody best friends, which is yellows, right with it. And then of course the glow in the dark crystal kits, and I did the drop on this side. I really like that. And then of course the frame and the kits as well. So excited. Add a couple in on the side. I'm gonna add some beads on. You can add like gold beads, silver beads. You know what? And then we have a rose gold bead, and we have obsidians. Then we have rose gold, silver, gold, I think, and rose gold, obsidian too. So like totally 5 colors of the beads, the real metal beads. And usually place the beads right between crystals, and between crystals and or crystal and frame. This one is so adorable. You'll never go wrong with this. This foil is so beautiful and it's so easy and it's go well with the design. So now we combine like 3 kits together. So a lot of you have 3 kits on their hand. Congratulations. If some of you have different kits, you can definitely create some design similar to this as well. All right, here you go. Are you happy with this? We're going to cure this for 60 seconds.